find there's nothing better than when me, myself, and I can come together. And I know for a fact there's no spirit I lack or defend. Yeah, I've been through it all just to find in the end I can bless myself. There's no need for someone's help. There's no one to blame. There's no one to save you but yourself. I can justify all the mistakes in my life. It's taught me to be, it's given me, and I'll survive, 'cause I have blessed myself. Do you ever wonder how anything can make you cry? Have yourself discovered that the pain you feel is the pain that you deny in your life? So open up your eyes. You can bless yourself. There's no need for someone else. There's no one to blame. There's no one to save you but yourself.